Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto in CoinEX. And for this, we are now on the chart right now. So we have the chart standing right there and we want to buy crypto. So for example, we select here Bitcoin to USD, and then right now we scroll a little bit down and now we can decide here on which price we want to step in. Now let's say we want to step on this price, then we need to fill in the amount that we want to step in with. So let's do 10K. Then we can click here on take profit or stop loss. So we can add a take profit or a stop loss to our position. For now it's fine because I'm just showing you how to buy it. So we deselect it. And now if I click here on buy long and do confirm, we just created a limit position right here. So once he will hit that amount of price, then he will take our position. So this is how you can buy crypto on CoinEX. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.